Hi guys, welcome to my another video today. So today we are going to discuss very important component, and that is summarize written text. So basically in the video before we have discussed the same thing, but we discussed only the simplest method. So today this is also very simple method, but it requires your own efforts. So that is why it is little bit tricky for those who doesn't have good grammar part. So that is why it is bit difficult for them. So basically in summarize written text, as I already told you before, you get marks on the basis of content, grammar, vocabulary, spellings, and your form. So what is form? Form means your word limit. So content means whatever you write, you should write related to the passage. So basically they will give you one passage, and from that you have to summarize the whole text. So content means whatever you write, it should be related to the passage. Grammar, you already know what is grammar. Vocabulary means whatever words you choose, it has to be strong words. It doesn't have to be easy words. Now spelling, sorry, not structure, spellings. So spellings means either stick to British or American spellings. Now you must have observed the spellings of color. For example, COLOUR. One is British and one is COLOR. So one is American. So they say if you start your exam with British, so you have to end your exam with British spellings only, and if you start your exam with American spelling, you have to end your exam with American spelling. So there is a list of that. I can always post the link, or you can just Google it, difference between American and British spellings. It will take you 5 minutes to learn that. Form means again word limit. Minimum word limit should be 5 and maximum should be 75. Okay. Minimum 5, maximum 75. If you do not keep your this word limit up to the mark, if it is not between 5 to 75, you will straight away get 0. So you have to make sure that this thing you need to apply, and the word count will be shown always when you are typing. So for example, you are typing here, so word count will be shown here. Okay, so they will keep on showing you whatever is the word count. So this is basically the summarized written text overall thing. But now let me tell you one very important thing. So half of the marks of summarized written text goes to reading. So that is why your content part should be very strong. So basically, if students do not get good marks in reading, that doesn't mean that is just because of the reading components itself, but it is also because of your this what you call summarized written text. Okay, so basically even the read aloud section in speaking, I already told that half marks of read aloud section is going to the reading section. So you have to concentrate on that method also if you need to score up high in your reading component. So this is overall things that you need to keep in mind before doing the summarized written text. This marks distribution is very important, and half marks going to reading again you have to keep in mind, because content you have to keep your content should be very strong. The simplest method I have already discussed. Okay, so this was the overall view which I am giving you related to the summarized written text, and I am going to post a separate video how to do this task. This is just an overall view how to handle this task. Okay, so basically you will get 10 minutes to do this. So basically you will be able to finish in 7 or 8 minutes. Now make sure you press the next button before 10 minutes. So this is very important thing to keep in mind. Students always think, okay, let 10 minutes finish up, then we'll press the next button. But in fact, after 10 minutes it will go next itself only, but you have to press the next button before 10 minutes. Otherwise your marks will be deducted. So you have to make sure that these things you need to keep in mind. You may get 4 to 5 questions in the exam of summarized written text. So it depends, right? So there are only 2 tasks in writing. One is summarized written text and one is essay. Now students think that then why we are not, like, if there are only 2 components, summarized written text and essay, then how we are getting the score again out of 90 in writing? Because if you count the marks of summarized written text, it is just 7 marks, 1 question. Okay, so content 2, grammar and spellings total you can say that 2, vocabulary 2, and form is 1. So 1 question for 7 marks. So if you multiply 7 into 4, 28 marks only, right? If you get 4 questions, then only 28 marks. And if you see, you get 1 essay, you plus that 15, right? So it is approximately you can say 45 marks to 50 marks. Then how we are getting the marks out of 90? Because marks from other sections are going to the writing section. So that is why we need to make sure that your all sections are very strong. Okay. So these are the minute things which you need to keep in mind before attempting any section. Okay. So this is all about the overall view of summarized written text. Now we are going to discuss how to do this task with the another method in the next